In this video we will see how to prepare our model for the software generation, and eventually we will flash the auto generated code into our Arduino board. For this we need to prepare our model for the code generation. That we can do using the model configuration parameters that you can access from the simulation menu and model configuration parameters, or you can click on the toolbar, the gear icon and the small rectangle, and it shows model configuration parameters. Click it and here it will show the model and it's a hardware implementation. At present it shows hardware board as none, but we need to select the Arduino whatever we have. I have with me right now Arduino Mega, so I am selecting it. And in the code generation section you can see so many options. Now if you see the device vendor, automatically change it to HTML and the processor type is AVR. Now if you look at the optimization, the level is set to maximum and the priority is set to balanced RAM and speed. Here if you see, it has the minimize the RAM usage or maximize execution speed, or you can balance between RAM and speed, and here you can control the minimum, balanced and maximum. So that is up to you, but this is very small and tiny program, so I'm leaving the defaults at the same location. Now click OK. Once it is done, save the model. So now here you can see the code option, click it, and here C and C++ code, this is the option we will use. And here as you see we have so many options, but we are interested in C++ code generation, so select it and it automatically opens one more small pop-up menu. Here you can see deploy to hardware. Now we need to select this, click it, and on the bottom left corner you can see how this is working. At present it is building the model and you can see various options and how it is working. Now give it some time, probably a couple of minutes, so it performs all the processes. And once our code generation is successful, you will see auto pop-up for the code generation window. It is taking more time, give it some more time. Now as you can see, when it is building, all the menu options are disabled. That is to stop you to inadvertently change the options, so it won't confuse the MATLAB. So it has disabled all the options. Now as you see, the code generation report is automatically popped up. Now here you can see all the options whatever we have, and here if you click on the LED blink demo.c, here you can see the actual code generated for us. This is the code and this will be flashed into our Arduino board, and if the code is already flashed into the Arduino. So this is how we can generate the code and flash the same using MATLAB and Simulink into the Arduino. So here we have not coded anything in C and C++. We have just used all the graphical elements and simple state flow. So this is the pictorial representation of our implementation, and Simulink converted all this thing into code and it generated the C++ code for us.